Good morning, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, November the 9th. Our menu for the week is today we are serving chicken nuggets roll and sauce. On Tuesday, spaghetti and meat sauce. Wednesday, crispy chicken on a bun. Thursday, deli sub sandwich, and on Friday, pizza. Don't forget, breakfast and lunch are free to all Jaguars through the end of our school year. If you are a remote choice learner, you may pick up your free breakfast and lunch at our school each day between 10 and 10:30. Thank you to all our Jaguar families for participating in our Jefferson Spirit Night at Braden's Barbecue. Jaguars, it's time to have some dress-up fun at Jefferson this week to go along with our online book fair. Thank you, Mrs. Sin, for coordinating our online book fair and our Time Machine Dress Up Week. Today, I hope many of you have chosen to dress up on our 50s Sock Hop Day. Tuesday is 60 Tie-Dye Day. On Wednesday, it's 70s Disco Day. And on Thursday, it's 80s Hairband Day. And on Friday, it's 90s Grunge Day. So, Jaguars, you are welcome to join in the fun as we journey through the decades. We also encourage you and your family to visit the online book fair this week and next week. Happy purchasing! And now it's time to celebrate some amazing Jaguars who are celebrating a birthday this week. Today on November 9th in 4th grade is Raylan B. On November the 10th in 4th grade is Brennan R. On November the 11th in 5th grade, Phoenix D. 5th grade, Leah G. And in kindergarten, Knox G. On November the 12th, celebrating a birthday in 1st grade is Andrew M. 3rd grade, Vance R. On November the 13th in 4th grade is Arabella P. On November the 14th in 1st grade is Curtis J. And on November the 15th in kindergarten is Nash K. Hope all of y'all enjoy celebrating your birthday this week and know that we are so glad that you were created. And now it's time to recognize our leaders of the week at Jefferson. In kindergarten, Angel C-J, Annabelle H, and Quinn F. In 1st grade, Alea L, Addison M, Alden H, and Sawyer W. In 2nd grade, Isaac M, Jasmine M, Keaton R, and Kylie G. In 3rd grade, Callie L, River W, and Violet W. In 4th grade, Hayden A, Jason B, Mason B, and Paisley B. And in 5th grade, Bella B, Jacob L, and Lainey P. You guys make us Jaguar proud. And now join me for some words of wisdom. This week, across our nation, we celebrate Veterans Day on November the 11th. A veteran is an experienced person who has been through many battles, maybe someone who has given long service, or a person who has served in the armed forces. You know, Jaguars, there are many men and women who have chosen to walk into danger that we might live in peace. Over the years, soldiers have had to leave their families and travel all over the world to use their leadership skills to try and maintain peace in our world. Some soldiers had to die in wars in order for us to continue to live in a free country. Therefore, this week we celebrate these brave men and women who love our country and the people in it. My dad served in the Navy during World War II, while my brother David served in the Army during the Vietnam War, and my brother Sam served in the Marines. You know, as we honor all these amazing men and women who have served, this week, as we say the pledge to our flag, let us remember our veterans and our country that they have chosen to defend and honor with their lives. So Jaguars, remember today and every day, we get the privilege to live in a country that is free because veterans have and still are working to keep peace in our world. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, encouraging us all to choose peace and be a difference maker. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.